The Honda Civic wheel spacers are essentially safe. They're mechanical components that push your wheels away from the original hub. The vehicle wheels are fastened to the corresponding hub by clamping force. By tightening the wheel stop of each wheel, all forces are transmitted through each end of the car and its corresponding hub assembly. Therefore, the vehicle weight is not placed on any Honda Civic wheel spacers installed. Generally, half-century Honda Civic wheel spacers are designed with half-century in the center that fits perfectly on the hub. This way, the wheels are centered by the hub connection, and the lug nut can hold it first against the mounting plate. This Honda Civic wheel spacer allows the wheel to support the vehicle weight better and fill the gap for a tighter fit, providing the minimum chance of wheel vibration. Many Honda Civic wheel spacers are made of aluminum alloy, but remember that forged ones are always better than cast ones. Compared to traditional wheel spacers, the BONOSS Honda Civic wheel spacers are much stronger as well as provide longer service life. Selecting the best Honda Civic wheel spacers ensures safety, and it almost always saves money in routine maintenance. The BONOSS forged multi-stage Honda Civic wheel spacers are considered safer and more reliable. The half-century molding is machined in a multi-layer process, and the chamfers match the corresponding hub flange, eliminating any possible gaps. The machining accuracy of 0.02 mm. The higher the accuracy of the contact surface, the better the fit on the Honda Civic wheel spacers, and the safer your drive will be. The BONOSS forged multi-stage Honda Civic wheel spacers will effectively reduce the chance of vibration and keep your wheels safe all the way. In addition, the BONOSS Honda Civic wheel spacers are designed with heat dissipation grooves that make your brake cooling better distribute in petal shape. These grooves allow the external cold air to flow continuously inside the wheel spacer when it rotates. The air takes away the heat, so it achieves the purpose of actively dissipating heat for the braking system. There are small notches that distribute on the corner of the Honda Civic wheel spacers. These notches act as air collectors which tremendously enlarge the airflow, enhancing the heat dissipation effect and improving road safety. Also, BONOSS forged active cooling Honda Civic wheel spacer comes with a 10-year warranty, which gives drive peace of mind.